Hi viewers of Tic-Tac-Toe, I'm Khai and this is my review of the brand new Honor 10 Lite. In Singapore, this device is priced at $288 and comes with 64GB of storage and 3GB of RAM. Starting with the design, the back of the Honor 10 Lite is a lot like the Honor 8X glass body, but the sides are curved so it feels really thin in the hand. The frame also has the same glossy finish, giving it a premium look. So here's the twist, all of this is made of plastic, but it doesn't feel like it at all. The SIM tray is located on top and it has a nano SIM slot plus a hybrid slot. A microphone hole is located right beside the SIM tray, so if you are not paying attention, you might accidentally poke it instead. To the front, we have a 6.21-inch IPS LCD display that has great viewing angles and is bright enough to be viewed under direct sunlight. Colors are a little too vibrant out of the box, but that can be fixed in the settings app. There is a notch on top to house the selfie camera, but it is considerably small, so it doesn't hinder the experience when gaming or watching movies. The Honor 10 Lite is powered by the Kirin 710, the same processor found on the Honor 8X. While with only 3GB of RAM on board the local variant, how does it fare? Playing PUBG Mobile on HD and realistic graphics, there were occasional stutters but nothing major that would affect gameplay. The same goes for playing RAWs with excellent graphics. As for benchmarks, my review unit wasn't able to install Antutu or Geekbench 4, but here are some benchmark results from the 64GB variant that you'll get in Singapore. For both, the 10 Lite scores a little lower than the 8X, but the difference isn't very significant. Huge thanks to Chester from Music Photo Live for helping me get this on his review unit. Now, to the cameras. So at the launch event that I attended, Honor claimed that the selfie camera on this device, the Honor 10 Lite, takes great selfies at night. So let's take a look around iLite and see how great this camera is. Selfies taken at night are a little soft with plenty of noise, but are still usable. In the day though, selfies turn out sharp with pleasing colors and dynamic range is quite good for a selfie camera. I'm not recording on the rear cameras of the Honor 10 Lite. Let's go meet Khai. Oops, wrong place. In the day, colors are vibrant and dynamic range seems good. The video isn't over sharpened like on some devices, but there doesn't seem to be any stabilization. Under good lighting, photos taken with the rear cameras turn out sharp and vibrant, which is expected from most smartphone cameras. But at night is when it really shines. It has a night mode that captures beautiful low light photos using a 6-second exposure. A common issue with long exposure shots is that even the slightest shake can ruin the photo. To overcome that, Honor used something they call AI stabilization. It reduces the resolution to 8 megapixels, but with it, you actually get a photo that isn't blurry. Even on regular mode, photos at night still look good. Battery life isn't very good on the Honor 10 Lite. With regular usage, I could only get about a full day of use, which involves some browsing of social media and taking of photos. The Honor 10 Lite runs Emotion UI 9 on top of Android 9.0, and I shall be very honest with you, it is not my favorite Android skin. The settings app is just horribly organized, and if it wasn't for the search bar, I would have given up on it. Also, the icons in the default apps look a little outdated and most of the themes in the theme store require you to pay. Split screen support is actually pretty decent, but some of Honor's own apps aren't supported. But there are a couple of pretty neat features. For example, the camera app has an AR lens mode that can alter your background and add various filters. Honor's Histon sound effects are pretty cool as well. There is also a digital balance feature where you can control how much time you spend on your phone every day. So, will I recommend the Honor 10 Lite? It's easily one of the best looking devices in its price range right now. If you're on a budget of under $300 and if you care a lot about the look of your phone, then definitely this is a great device to get. But if you play a lot of games on your smartphone, then I recommend getting something else. While the performance is superb with that Kirin 710 processor, the battery life just isn't very good. Oh hey, you're still there. This is the end of my review for the Honor 10 Lite. If you like this video, do leave a like, share and subscribe to this channel. A huge thanks to the Tic-Tac-Toe crew for allowing me to appear on their channel. Khai will be doing the review for the Honor View 20 on my Facebook page, so stay tuned for that. Bye!